Ever wondered who are the Tech Avengers? Imagine this, a league of extraordinary tech enthusiasts, cybercrime fighters, artificial intelligence experts, and innovators, all united under one banner. Picture a team of superheroes, not with capes, but with keyboards and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. This, friends, is the Tech Avengers. In a world where technology is as much a part of our lives as the air we breathe, the Tech Avengers serve as the guardians of the digital realm. From the depths of the dark web to the heights of cloud computing, no corner of the tech universe is beyond their reach. Each Tech Avenger possesses a unique skill set, making them masters of their respective fields. They delve into the complex world of cybercrimes, sifting through codes and algorithms to bring the culprits to justice. They explore the intriguing realm of artificial intelligence, breaking down complex concepts into digestible nuggets of knowledge. They are innovators, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the tech world. But the Tech Avengers are more than just experts. They are educators. They believe in the power of knowledge and strive to make the bewildering world of tech accessible to all. They take on the intricate jargon, the intimidating codes, and the maze-like algorithms and transform them into comprehensible, engaging content. Yet, their mission isn't just about simplifying tech. They also aim to show how hacking, often perceived negatively, can serve society. Much like the Force in Star Wars, the Tech Avengers demonstrate that this tool, this power, can be used for good, for progress, for the betterment of humanity. So you might wonder, why subscribe to the Tech Avengers? Because here you become part of a community that not only embraces the future but shapes it. A community that values knowledge, innovation, and the promise of technology. A community that stands at the forefront of the digital revolution. The Tech Avengers are ready. Are you? Join this extraordinary league of tech enthusiasts. Subscribe and become part of the journey, part of the revolution, part of the Tech Avengers. Because in the world of technology, we are stronger together. Be a Tech Avenger. Subscribe now.